Introducing the new Jcb Nxt 150, the all-new Jcb excavator that is designed to take your business to the next level. This machine is a versatile powerhouse that stands strong on the soft strata. It is ideal for earthwork, irrigation, coal rehandling, sand mining and various other applications, as it has great stability and better hold on the ground. It ensures productivity and profitability for self-use and contractors. Let's take a closer look at the new Jcb Nxt 150. It offers the next level of reliability with enhanced endurance. The heavy-duty boom with reinforcement and cast pivot end at boom foot joint and arm offer improved cross-section area for high strength. It has a bigger bucket of 0.75 cubic meter for high output. It comes with a heavy-duty truck chain with 600 mm track shoes, large section link and rollers for low ground bearing pressure. This machine gives you 5% higher output than Jcb Nxt 140. The Jcb Nxt 150 delivers the next level of performance. With new power modes for unmatched output. It can be operated in 3 user-friendly work modes. Power Plus, which provides maximum output and is suitable for high output and heavy-duty strata. Power, for high output requirements. Economy, for general duty and digging operations. Its superior bucket and arm tear-out forces result in excellent digging. With an 13.6 RPM swing speed, it completes digging in less time and increases overall productivity. The Jcb Nxt 150 offers the next level of efficiency with energy-saving eco-hydraulics which minimize the hydraulic losses, resulting in enhanced fuel efficiency, thus increasing savings. It comes with features like the Auto Idler, which reduces engine speed automatically when the machine is not at work, thus saving fuel. Its one-touch deceleration system helps reduce engine RPM by giving just one touch to the switch. One of the key benefits of this tracked excavator is its next level of intelligence with IntelliControl, the new intelligent way to get excellent fuel efficiency and productivity with the utmost ease of use and control. IntelliControl offers best-in-segment user experience. It displays operational information such as quantity of fuel left in the tank, engine speed and operating mode status, trip meter and lots more. It also shows the user maintenance information like color-coded health alerts based on severity and hour meter, counting of attachment operations, among others. And in today's digital world, Jcb Nxt 150 offers the next level of Connect 2 with its advanced telematics system called LiveLink. It provides added security with fuel level drop and geofencing alerts, as well as other important alerts too. You get customized reports on machine performance. You can easily monitor idle time, working hours and other important functions. It ensures maximum safety too, with high RPM shutdown reports and critical alerts too. Enjoy the next level of ease of maintenance and safety with this machine. It comes with first-in-class safety features such as breaker overuse alert, selectable swing lock, hydraulic interlock to start the engine and a hydraulic accumulator. It also has an advanced self-diagnosis system with error codes and multicolored warning alerts for easy and quick maintenance. Experience the next level of comfort with a Jcb Nxt 150. It comes with rotary switch controls and a powerful AC cabin that makes it easy and comfortable to use. It has a thin and low-effort joystick and ensures better ventilation and visibility. And as always, get the next level of service and support with Jcb Genuine Parts. which offer a comprehensive machine protection solution. So, get ready to take your business to the next level with the Jcb Nxt 150 tracked excavator.